Well, hey guys, today I am installing some LED tail lights. The front lights, the turn signals are LEDs also, so when you get rid of your antique bulbs that cause resistance, that causes it to blink fast and can damage your flasher and can cause some problems with having your brake lights and your turn signals work. So I am installing a set of new tail lights on this Jeep Wrangler, and they're LEDs all the way around, and I'll show you kind of how I'm gonna do it, and maybe this will help you. But there's this little resistor kit. It's like a 6 ohm resistor, and I'm gonna install those in the line. I already have to rewire it. These came with no pigtails. The Jeep has this fancy pigtail here, so I just cut them off the old lights, and I'm just going to solder all my wires in and these resistors. But you can see here the colors don't quite match, and there was no instructions with these, so I'm going to play the game with a test light, and we'll go ahead and figure out what wire is what, and then I'm going to basically plug it into here and we'll see what does what exactly. So let's get that going. Let me turn the turn signal on. We're going to start turn signals first. I'm basically just going to plug this guy in like this, and I'm going to see which one is the turn signal. So I got a test light. It looks like the black and the red striped is the turn signal. See that? So now I don't know which one really is the turn signal. I know the backup light on these is red, so I'm going to just test it out. So what you're going to want to do is ground it first. There's a little metal bezel on these Jeeps, and that's what grounds it to the body here. And then we will try the brown. What is the brown? The brown is the turn signal. So that's the brown. You can go through the colors. You can even say, oh, what's the green? But the green is the brighter one. So you always want the brighter one, not the non-bright one. So the green is the turn signal. You can kind of see there. I'll switch it over to the brown, and it's not nearly as bright, so you want it to be bright. So the green is the turn signal. The red we know is the backup light. I'll just kind of show you that. So go back to, what I'm going to do is take this resistor here. It comes in a kit. I'll post it up here, and I'll post tail lights up there if that helps you guys. And this is kind of what comes in the kit. So it's just this resistor here. I'm going to strip the wires. I'm going to use some heat shrink also. So I'm going to slide some heat shrink over the wire here. And then you put a larger piece of heat shrink over here. Stick that over the top of green here. And then what I'm going to do is take the brown and the red and the green. And I'm just going to twist those together. Cut off these excess strands from... I'm going to take my solder. Okay, solder that together. Grab my smaller heat shrink here. Just going to heat shrink this portion here. Slide it over. And I got a lighter here, and we'll just heat shrink this guy down. I got a fan blowing here. Let me just... Alright, so I got my resistor there. Okay, so now I need to know what the marker lights are. So I'm going to turn the headlights on. Black and yellow are the lights. So I'm going to show you the turn signal now. You guys can check that out. So now, let me kind of show you how this works. And that way you guys get the gist. So I haven't ground out the other side of these relays. And I'm going to just cut these wires here. We'll just basically ground it out. And then it slows it down. Just like that. So you don't need 2 of these, I just found out. This is a learning experience. So you only need 3 because the lights ran off the same line for the park lights. You only need 1 resistor on the park lamps. You need 2 on each side of the turn signals because they're 3 different circuits there, so 3 different units, and there's just another wire that runs over to this side. So if that helps you guys, this is kind of what I have here. I'm going to finish taping this up, make it look nice, get it installed. Guys, hit subscribe, check out more of my videos, and I hope this video helped you because I just learned something else. So cool, thanks.